Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap on it. So here we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it is 48 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than the camera. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count, which is really huge in my case. So if you'd like to check some further details, you've got two different ways which you can use. So the first one is to tap inside the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time, notifications received, and times opened in specific days of the week. So as you can see, we can tap on Tuesday, then change it to Wednesday and just compare it on the dashboard. Under it, you've got the list of apps which you've been using and the specific time of spent on them. So you can check it. What is more, you can set the app timers for the specific app just by tapping on this hourglass icon here. You can set the timer if you prefer. Let me go back, and the second option, the second way of checking the details is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, camera or phone, or whichever app you've got here. So let's tap on the settings, for example, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected only with this one app. What is more, under it you've got ways to disconnect. So if you will decide that you are spending too much time on the screen, you can try to set, for example, the focus mode or the bedtime mode. Let's start with the focus mode, or actually let me explain just the focus mode. And basically here you can select distracting apps. So for example, it could be probably social media, for example, YouTube, Instagram, or whatever apps are distracting you. You can mark them. So let's pretend I'm distracted by the camera and the gallery. Now you can tap on set a schedule and choose specific days and specific time in which you want to limit those apps. So it will be really useful, for example, if you'd like to work, if you're going to work. As you can see, those presets are corresponding to the usual working time, working hours, or if you want to rest, or if you'd like to study, or whatever you need the focus mode for. And after setting the schedule, you can turn it on now, and your device will basically hide the notifications from those distracting apps, so you will be able to rest and do not bother about the notifications. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.